Alright, what's up with y'all? It's your boy CeeLo back with another video. Gonna run around here to the store and run the mic for a second. Oh, I still got the exhaust back there. I'm like, why is something clanking? That stuff clanking. That ain't the way things supposed to be. Alright, we back. I'm definitely gonna love the pedal box when I hook it up. I just haven't hooked it up yet because I'm really not driving my truck right now. So when I hook it up, everybody gonna know about it because I'm gonna make sure all you guys know about it. Give me 1 second. All right, how you doing?
Good. Is this yours?
Nah.
I was saying he's bleeding.
Yeah, he just put the transmission in and it blew the transmission pan.
Okay.
So he got to put a new seal on it. Thanks. Yeah, my neighbor blew his transmission seal. So he got to put a new transmission seal on it. So yep. A little organized, a little bit organized. We're getting there. We're getting there. But if you like these videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get all upcoming content that I do put out. Because it's definitely getting ready to go down. As I say, peace.